What's going on, everyone? Aegis B here, and today I got the Apple Watch Series 7 in studio. Gonna do a full unboxing, show you guys what you can expect coming from the Series 3. So this is definitely a big, huge upgrade. So without further ado, let's go into what's in the box. Okay, so this is the Apple Watch Series 3 right at the front. Not sure if you can tell, but it does say watch. So it signifies what is in the box. Like the packaging, it's typically Apple. The one that I have is the blue aluminum with the always blue sport band. So it's the sportier version of it. So let's go ahead and open it up. This year, and the guy at the store made sure that I knew this, is that there's no plastic wrapping on this. So we have these tabs at the back, and this would be how you open it. So let's go ahead and give it an open. And I really like that type of presentation. It looks very premium. You can see here that we have the watches on the outline of this box. So separately, we have the watch band here. This, as I mentioned, is the blue version. So it is the sport band as well. And it looks pretty good, but I'm gonna open it up. But before I do, let's look at the watch. So this is the watch. I'm gonna move this over. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up the watch band. At the back, you have these tabs over here and over here. So let's go ahead and peel off this tab first. And then I'm gonna go ahead and peel off this tab second and open up the box. Okay, so first things first, let's take a quick look at the watch. You get it in this like paper type of casing covering here. And like I mentioned, I got the blue version. So I think it looks pretty good. It has the blue band all around it. So this year's Apple Watch does match the blue iPhone 13 if you pick that up, so you can go ahead and match. It's off, but as you can see, it's really small. Let's see what else is in the box. Classic Apple, designed by Apple in California. Something that we always get, including the manuals and warranty information in this little envelope thingy here. We also get the charging cable for the Apple Watch. This is a USB-C to watch adapter. I don't know what they call it officially, but this is how we're going to charge the Apple Watch. So as you can see, as I mentioned, it is USB-C, which is pretty good. I have a lot of USB-C plugs, so I can use that. And then I have the watch charging magnet thingy at the top. It's not Qi charging, of course. That's not something that we're gonna get on the Apple Watch this year. Moving over to the sport band, let's go ahead and take off the tabs as well. More information that it comes with. And then if I unwrap it as I did before, I'm getting the watch band. So again, this is the blue. I like this blue. Let's go ahead and pop it out. It has more paper on it. This kind of blue is one that I like. You know, I'm definitely gonna switch it out for a black one. They had no proper black one this year for the Series 7, but they also didn't have many colors in the store. This was literally the last one, so I scooped it up. There's also an extra watch wristband over here if you'd like it. But that is pretty much it for what comes in the box here. Okay, so that's what's in the box. Let's quickly go over my first impressions of this. So I do like the way that the Apple Watch Series 7 looks. I think that the rounded corners looks a lot better than what I was coming from on the Series 3. So in terms of design, it is similar to any of the past Apple Watches. It's definitely looking a lot better than the Apple Watch Series 3. I always have to get used to the always on display. That is not something that I'm used to with the Series 3, but I do like that it's a feature on this guy. The setting up with the iPhone 13 Pro was definitely super easy. It didn't really take much to set up both of those devices. It was basically what we experienced on the past iPhones. The color that I got is the blue version, as I mentioned a couple times in this video. Not exactly the one I want, so I'm hoping that I can exchange it once that one comes in. In general, I do kind of like it. It's kind of different and not really what I go for. Also, while using it quickly, it's definitely a lot faster than using the Apple Watch Series 3. It's like night and day in terms of the comparison. So I'm definitely really excited to go over all the features. Now, speaking of features, there are a bunch of features. I'm not going to talk about that in this video. I'm going to be talking about that in the full review, so make sure to subscribe. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and the unboxing. I'm going to see you guys in the next one. Peace.